let me show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So make sure you're signed in into your Gmail from one phone, like right here. So all you have to do is open the Gmail app on your device, then tap in the right upper part of your screen. Then you see the option of manage your Google account. Tap manage your Google account. Then you're going to scroll down to the option of security and sign in. Tap that one. Now when you tap right there, you're actually going to move down to this part where you see your devices where you're signed in. You see the option of manage all devices. Tap right there. Now you can actually see all the devices that your Gmail is actually signed into. Select the device. I'm going to go with the S07. Tap it, and then this will come up. You are going to have to prove that it's actually you, confirm that it's you. Okay, now that's verifying that it's you. Okay, then you're actually going to see this option of sign out, find device, all that. So you're going to tap on sign out and then tap sign out again. This will remove access to that. Okay, tap sign out, and that you can see down there successfully signed out, finished. But some apps might still have access. Okay, if you want to have more settings, you want to have to go to the manage app access. You can actually tap OK, and that's it. You have actually managed to remove your Gmail account from another device.